So magandang araw kabola. Let's start po by congratulating Ginebra fans kabola. Dinalo na rin yung San Miguel and we will talk about that kabola sa video na ito. And of course, pag-usapan natin import situation ng Ginebra sa susunod na Commissioner's Cup at of course po ng Converse. So hindi para subscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Let's start po muna with the comments po ng mga fans. Malyari Mascareñas, pa-shoutout naman idol. So may mga comments pa siya dito regarding Game 6. Talo po ang San Miguel Beermen. Jello Pejoto, dapat makuha ng Magnolia si Mikey Williams at Christian Stan Hardinger. If they can get the two, Mikey Williams and Christian Stan Hardinger, kabola, that I think will be the most explosive offensive duo in the league, kabola, na locals, ano? So that will be an amazing addition for them. Open Rahelios, assistant na lang, total may Lastimosa naman tayo kapalit kay Baroka. So Jerome Lastimosa, kabola, the first round pick ng Magnolia in the most recent draft. Yes, the guy is or has a very bright future ahead of him. Pero kung ang Magnolia po is makakuha po, kabola, ng isang top 10 guards, kabola, at this point, they should try to get that already, kabola, ano? Kasi ang tagal lang nilang hindi nanalo, ang tagal lang nilang hindi nakarating po ng finals, kabola, di ba? So, dami-dami na nandiyan sa kabola, disappointed na yung fan base, kabola. Patience, yes, of course, pero sobrang patient na nila in the last several years, kabola. It's time to go for the kill, kumbaga, kabola, di ba? I think that should be their attitude. Then, dapat, kabola, and then pa-shoutout, sabi ni Sir Ronald Berbusilan, kabola. So, let's talk about Ginebra versus San Miguel Beermen. It was a shock for me. Of course, ang ating prediction is San Miguel Beermen. Bakit po San Miguel Beermen yung prediction natin? Kasi, yung lineup, kabola, advantage San Miguel Beermen, kabola. Yung match-ups, kabola, advantage San Miguel Beermen, kabola. Diba? Ang meron lang ang Ginebra, ano, na clear advantage, dalawa. Si Brownlee as a better import than yung import po ng San Miguel Beermen, and si Coach Tim Cone as the better head coach than the head coach po of San Miguel Beermen. Pero still, diba? At the very least sana, Game 7 to. Pero hindi. I mean, dalawa ba o tatlong games panapanalo ko na Ginebra dito, kabola, tambakan. I mean, nakakahiya. Ano? I mean, hindi ko alam kung paano to i-explain, kabola, ni Coach George Gallen sa top management po ng San Miguel, kung paano sila natalo dito in 6 games and paano sila, kumbaga, hinampalos po in several games during this series, kabola. And when they clearly have the talent advantage, yan yung big question mark dyan. Now, on the other hand, of course, again, respect to Coach Tim Cone. Wow, what an amazing performance, kabola. The way he started po, kabola, the way he prepared this team for this series, kabola. Pero yun lang yung problema, no? Talagang sagad na sagad din yung mga core players niya. So tingnan natin kung ano po maging epekto niya against TNT. TNT is playing very well. TNT is basically the most consistent team in this tournament. So exciting po talaga ito paparating po ng finals. Even of course, nakita na natin yun ng billion times, kabola, in the past few years. Still, it's exciting, kabola. Now, import situation, sige, pagpatuloy natin ni Ginebra. The question now about regarding Commissioner's Cup is, should Brownlee remain to be their import? And I think the answer for me is yes, diba? But I know, magkakaroon sila ng size disadvantage, especially against the big teams. San Miguel will clearly have an advantage with them now. They will have twin towers with Fajardo, even Magnolia, even TNT siguro, kabola, even Rhino Shine, no? They really can have a clear advantage on the front line. Pero iba kasi yung Brownlee, kabola. Iba yung Brownlee, so I think I will still go with Brownlee. Although this could be the last time, no, that he will be their import in Commissioner's Cup kasi yung maganda na rin, kabola. Pero I think they should give it again to Brownlee, regardless of the result of this TNT versus Ginebra po na finals, kabola. On the other hand naman, Converge, unfortunately for them, hindi nila makukuha si Chris Macolo, kabola, as their import. Actually, Macolo for me is a good fit for them kasi he will provide that shooting sana, di ba? Ipapartner mo siya, ipapalaman mo siya basically kay Baltasar at Aranya, and you now have a good trio. Actually, pwede nga sana imagine natin pagsabay-sabayin silang apat, Aranya, Baltasar, Macolo, and even Troy Rosario. Makuha na si Troy Rosario. Pero right now, that's not a possibility. Pero I think they should continue with that belief, kabole, that this is the type of the import that they need. Someone who is really crazy from beyond the art, like Makolo. Ito dapat yung klase ng import na hanapin nila. O baka ba sa palagay mo? Makakana ba ng tamang import pang Converge? Comment na po sa baba.